My name is Jalea. I'm 4.5 years old. Come and go with me on a journey. I'm going to tell you what it was like to go to a Black Lives Matters protest. Oh, and yes, there are things kids have to do now because of the coronavirus. Today, I went to a protest with my mom, aunt, and cousin Camille. Other children were there with their parents. The leader told us to walk and say, "No justice, no peace, no racist police." Sometimes we had to say, "Black Lives Matter," and hold our fist up. We walked around holding up our signs and sometimes our fist. My mommy helped me make my sign at home. My sign said, "My life matters." My cousin, Camille, and the other children had signs too. So, what are you waiting for? Come on, read my story. I'm sure you're going to love it.